Okay, guys. Yeah, it's raining around. That's my tia and my uncle. That's already just my tia. The other, yeah. And you can see it raining. The background, yuck, it's actually raining. And oh no, I just got home. I was eating some cereal earlier. Yeah, it's dirty, so dirty from earlier. So, last night. Yuck, look at this. Nice. What's in here? Nice, it's dirty and everything. That's my uncle. That's my mom's. That's my mom's brother. That's my uncle. He does not see me. Okay, he doesn't see anything. Oh my. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get
Okay, guys. Now, yeah. It's the rain. Oh, yeah. That's my tia. Jojo and Steven. They're at the front door. And just look at that. Just look at that. Okay, I'm actually putting it outside. Sorry, I put it outside. Okay, I'm gonna undo my.
Yeah, that's what happened. Well, before those 2 minutes, we're at the $90.
Okay. That's my mom and everybody calls him Yum Yum because he eats a whole bunch because he's fat. I'm saying, if you watch it, you are kind of fat than I am. So, it got even crazier. My room is just pitch black, so you don't want to look in there. But yes, it's spy on them. But I don't have to spy in my head. I can just go like this. I just do this. I don't even have to make my peek my head. Well, guys, I'm just gonna. I might end this little clip right here. Oh, by the way, if you have any of those games, if you play on PS4 and you have any of those games, you have any of those games right there, hook me up. That's my PS4 name, okay? And you can play with me, because I got my controller. There's my other controller charging. This is it, whatever. But I'm gonna end my YouTube video in a little bit. But to do it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that mother frickin'. I said frickin'. I'm not gonna get demonetized. Bell button. It just makes the weirdest sound, but here, I could just do this. And I'm gonna end out the YouTube video here. And I hope you're having a good day. And I hope it is not raining where you live, because I live in Newport. And you come it's freaking raining. But by the way, yeah, that's blurry. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. But by the way, yeah, okay. I'll try to do something. But yuck. If you have any of those games, add me. My game is right my username is right there if you want to add me. So, by the way, I am a Beyblade fan. If you want to see a Beyblade video, perfect, because oh, do give me video. I'm gonna end off this video here. So, bye.